Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander. You're going to find it located on the driver's side inside the airbox. So there are a couple ways to do this filter. Would be to just undo these two clips, separate the airbox, and then if you can sneak it out like this, and then you can slide in the new filter back in. But the problem is that it gets really difficult to reinstall it this way. So the way we're going to do it is going to be a little time consuming. You're going to have to take apart a few things, but in terms of the amount of headache you're going to have, it will go down dramatically. So we'll start off by removing the 10mm here for the band clamp to this. There's a 10mm bolt down there. And we have the connector for the mass airflow sensor. We'll undo this connection here, undo this, undo the clamp, and now we're going to undo the bolt down here. There's the bolt. Now we'll separate the intake tube from here, undo the two clamps. And then right here, the harness, it's on a little clip. But if you push down on the top side of the clip, here's the clip right here. And if you were to push down on the top side of the clip here, you'll release the clip on the top side, and then you can undo the rest by hand. So push down here, that undoes it just a little bit. That'll undo the rest of the connector. And now you can grab the airbox here, angle it up and out, and then you can grab the air filter here, toss the old air filter, and bring in the new one. And I just want to show you the thing that makes this really difficult are the way this is designed. These clamps here are the little slots where the airbox slides into. They're supposed to slide in like this, but when you don't have it, when you have everything assembled, it makes it really difficult. So having it disassembled like this makes it easier to take out the filter, bring in the new one, because when you do it the other way, the bottom side here gets like pushed in like this. So when it's pushed in like that, that's not seated correctly, and then the airbox on this side isn't allowed to close properly. So when you have it all apart, it's really easy to seat it the way it's supposed to, and now you can come inside with the airbox and install it properly and a lot easier. So match these two slots to those two down there. Clip in here, clip in at the mass airflow, right in there. Grab your 10, grab the 10 here. And then there's a grommet right here in the backside for this airbox. Just make sure that's inserted before you screw in the bolt. I forgot to show this on camera, but you're supposed to remove this little vacuum line that goes to the brake booster. So make sure you reinstall this vacuum line back on. So that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.